Hey, what's going on, family? This is a continuation of our episode 5, but we actually made it episode 6. We're on our way to Junior's Famous Cheesecake, which is right here in Times Square. So we're walking there now, and I just love being in the Times Square area. When you walk through Times Square, it's like visiting 3 or 4 countries, you know, and that's how New York City is. It's really, I just love coming to New York. You know, New York is about a 20-minute train ride from my house in North New Jersey. But here we are at Junior's.
We almost got him. What's up, family? We are here in Manhattan at Junior's. I'm gonna say world's famous cheesecake. This place, right, this spot has been here, man, I want to say at least 15, 20 years. First Junior's that I'm aware of is in Brooklyn, you know, but we've been coming here on and off several years. Normally I'll sit down and have some dinner here, but I just had to have some cheesecake today. Let's do this. Ooh, it's nice and cool in here too. Just sit here. Oh, here we go. Here we go, right here. There it is, right there.
Thanks so much.
I can get slices too, right? Can I get slices? Okay. All right, so I'm on the wrong side for slices, y'all. The slices are right here. Slices, the cheesecake. I'm gonna just get a regular plain old slice, y'all. Is it really good?
Yeah.
Can I put you on video? Look, she just said it was really good, y'all.
It's really good.
She said it's really, I believe you, I believe you. I'm gonna get a regular slice and a nice ice cold glass of milk or cup of milk. This is what it is, y'all. New York has the best cheesecake in the world. That right there is so good. I have my milk too. I mean, it's so thick and creamy and deliciously sweet. If you're not a milk lover like me, you better become one. Oh man, cheesecake and milk. That is one of God's greatest creations. You know, I wasn't gonna eat all of the cheesecake. I was not gonna eat the whole slice, but I am going to eat all of this cheesecake because it's that good. You guys gotta come out. Check out Junior's Famous Cheesecake. This is Matt DV, New York City, and I'm out. Peace.